Today we're going to go ahead and work on an install of some 99 plus taillights for the 4Runner. They're essentially the same housing, just clearer lenses, nicer looking. They've got a little bit of more shaping to them. They're just not quite as plain Jane. So, not a ton different, but just a little bit. I got these from East Coast Toyota Restorations. They sent them with the harnesses and everything. I've just got to pull the old ones, pop the new ones in, and we should be good to go. Huge shout out to them for sending me these free of charge. They felt for my story with my brother, losing him a couple years back, and so yeah, I'm stoked to finally be getting around to putting these guys on. So, for removing your old tail lights, it's pretty straightforward. You come in here and it looks like it's just a couple of screws right there, right down there. That's what mounts them on, as far as I can tell, at least from this angle. So we'll go ahead and get that taken care of here real quick. Once you get your screws out, it's got two little pop clips right here on the side, so you just kind of got to take it from here, and same with install, you just kind of got to line those little sockets up like that right there, and then just push it out this way, and then you'll be at your harness here, which we will unplug from the inside. Get back to the harness, you'll have to pop this out. It'll be a little easier to get to if you take this piece right here, because you've got to get into this side too. So, and these are pretty big panels, so it's easier if you can lift it up right here and just pop the side of it out. So we'll go ahead and I've already got one done. And once you have all the screws out, it's just held in by these clips. All these guys. So you'll want to carefully lift it up and out of there so that you don't break any of the clips off. And we'll just set that aside. I'm definitely gonna clean out under in here. It is gross. And then from there, you can also get back into here to pop these panels out a little easier, which you get access to that wiring harness real easy. Once you pulled enough of the plastic away, you can get back at the grounds here, undo this one, unclip the clip, and then untape it from that holder there. And then we'll just, the new lights I have all new plugs and all this good stuff, so I will just pop that whole thing out and we'll replace it. I can also give a little bit better comparison over here of the two lights. Old light, new light. Much clearer lenses. This ridging right here, this shaping is non-existent on this one. The red lining around it is nicer looking on this one versus this one where it has it, you know, 3/4 of the way around and then it's windowed right here. I like these the look of these a lot better. I think it'll freshen up the truck a lot. So installation is just the opposite. Just make sure you go through and replace all your bulbs and make sure you have them, although these do look like he left bulbs in them. I'm gonna go ahead and check and make sure. And the finished product. Once it's a little darker out and the sun is set, I'll come back out here and show off the actual lighting. But you can already tell I make a massive difference on the truck. Really updates the rear end, even though it's just clearer lenses and slightly reshaped. But it's a lot like the pre-facelift Celicas. They got the short end of the stick for tail lights, and then the later models got much nicer ones. So luckily it's just plug and play upgrades. So another little mod down for the 4Runner.